Welcome to the 28-day hand lettering challenge. I'm so glad you're here. Remember, this is free. There's no strings attached. I just want you to take 5 minutes a day for the next 28 days, relax, put on some soft music, and practice your lettering skills. So to participate, all you're gonna need is a piece of paper and some kind of pen or marker. That's it. But if you want to follow along with me, I have a hand lettering book, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna be going through it, and we're just gonna be doing some very basic things. We're gonna be doing the alphabet, and I'm just gonna write across here, and you're gonna watch how I form the letters, and then you'll do it yourself. You could use notebook paper, anything you want. If you're interested in this book, and a couple of the pens I'll be using, on my website, craftwithchristy.com, I will have that for sale. So it's $23, includes the book and 2 different pens. One is the Erasable pen, the other one is a brush pen. Okay, so for those of you that just have a pen and paper, I'm gonna show you how to use a pen. Now this one's erasable, and I'll show you a really cool trick with that in a minute, but let's just pretend you have a regular pen. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a circle, and then or an oval, and then a downstroke, okay? And you're just gonna get used to these strokes. You are gonna work on your muscle memory. And that's all you're gonna do, is practice the letter A. Now, if you happen to have or decide to order an erasable pen, let me show you something really cool. I know what you're thinking, you can erase it. You can erase it, but watch this. If you have a heat gun, watch this magic happen right here. Sure, looks like your book is brand new again. If you have a Crayola marker, what's nice about these is they have a tip and a broad side. Okay, so let's use that. So let's first talk about when you do have a brush marker or something with a wide tip. There's 2 things you need to know, is an upstroke and a downstroke. So an upstroke is every time you go up, it's thin, okay? And every time you go down, it's thick. So before you start, you might even just kind of start doing this to get a feel for the light stroke and the heavy stroke, okay? When you get that down, then I want you to work on the letter A. And to work on the letter A, we are gonna do heavy down, light up, so that's an oval, and then heavy down and light up. So when we go down, we're gonna go heavy, and then right there we're going up, light, down, heavy, and then you wanna end on a light note. Again, heavy down, light up, heavy down, light up. And then I want you to go ahead, and if you have the book, I know a lot of you have the book, you're gonna go heavy down, light up, and the cool thing is you have these to trace, but then you've got the line paper as well. If you have notebook paper at home, you could use that. But I do love tracing paper too. Okay, so today we're just working on letter A. I want you to practice, do a whole sheet of letter A. Work on these up and down strokes so you can get some practice in. And let's see. Okay, here's some things you need to remember. There's my website, Craft with Christy. Whenever you do your practice, I want you to post it down underneath, okay? And then you need to always put the hashtag lettering doodle drills, because that's how we're gonna draw for prizes. And then the last thing, thank you, Crafty Croc, for donating some prizes. Here's one example of prizes, and I'll be using these markers as well. They're not markers, they're brush pens. Watercolor brush pens. They already have the watercolor in them, and so I can't wait to demonstrate those. So follow along, enjoy, relax, and have fun. Oh, and invite your friends.